Now let us see what is meant by logical operator. Logical operator. And or not. And or not are called, we already discussed it. And or not are called logical operator. What does it mean by logical operators? Means when Boolean variables are combined with the operators to perform logical operations are called logical operator. Means when Boolean variables are combined with operators to perform logical operations are called logical operator. For example, y is equal to a plus b. See here, a and b are nothing but Boolean variables. When these Boolean variables are going to perform logical operations means it needs one operator. Such operators means operators which are needed to perform logical operations are called logical operators. We can say this and or not are called logical operators. Now let us first see what is mean by not operator. Not operator is one of the logical operator which operates on single variable. What is a not operator? Not is one of the logical operator which operates on single Boolean variable. This not operator is denoted using a bar over the variable. For example, if x is a variable means we are going to perform a not operation on this x variable means this will be indicated by a bar over it. For example, if x is a variable, we are going to perform not operation means it becomes x bar. If x variable has value 0, when it undergoes not operation means we get result as 1. If x variable has value 1, it undergoes not operation means we get value as 0. Because in binary we have only two values 0 and 1. If the value is 0, it undergoes not operation means we get 1. If value is 1, it undergoes not operation means we get 0. This is what not operation. And the second thing, AND operation. AND is one of the logical operator. AND operator is nothing but logical multiplication. Logical multiplication is considered as logical AND operator. For example, if x and y are two variables, when we are going to perform AND operation means the resultant expression will be r is equal to x into y. X into y. This is the resultant expression. See here, what is mean by logical AND operation means? Logical AND operation is nothing but logical multiplication on given Boolean variables. This AND operator is denoted using the symbol called dot. Right? X and y is denoted as x dot. Let us see here rules for logical multiplication. Rules for logical multiplication are rules for logical AND operation. Suppose x and y are two variables. When AND operation is performed means resultant expression is equal to x into y. Right? So what is the rule? Here x and y are the Boolean variables means they are going to hold only Boolean values. That is 0 and 1 only. So that's why first case, what will be the first case? 0, 0. Another case 0, 1. Another case 1, 0. Remaining case 1, 1. Right? These are the four possible combinations. Here resultant expression is x into y. Means here x values are there, here y values are there. Logical multiplication, AND operation means logical multiplication. X into y means 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. This is what rules for logical multiplication, or else we can call it as logical AND operation on given two variables. Now let us see one more logical operator, that is called third one, OR operator. What is an OR operator? OR operator is one of the logical operator. It is considered as logical addition on given two variables. For example, if x comma y are the given Boolean variables, then let us see the OR operation on given x and y variable. So these two are the given two variables. When OR operation is going on means resultant expression is equal to R is equal to x plus y. X plus y, because logical OR operation means logical addition. That's why here plus is there. In AND operation means logical multiplication. That's why here x dot y is there. See here. So what will be the resultant value here? See here, resultant value, resultant expression R is equal to x plus y is there. So that's what 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. See here, 1 plus 1, 2. No, this is wrong. Because we are discussing Boolean algebra. What is mean by Boolean algebra? Recall once again the definition of Boolean algebra. It says that algebra which deals with the Boolean values, that is 0 and 1, is called Boolean algebra. Means we are discussing Boolean algebra means here we have to concentrate on only binary values 0 or 1. If here we are going to work on some expressions, some Boolean expressions means they are said to be Boolean expressions means they must have Boolean variables, and those Boolean variables must be hold only binary values either 0 or 1. So that's why 1 plus 1 not 2. That is in normal what we studied in maths. That algebra 1 plus 1 is 2. But here we are discussing the Boolean algebra. So according to the rules of OR operation, logical addition, 1 plus 1 we get 1 only, not 2. Because we are discussing here Boolean algebra, we must get the result in either 0 or 1 form. That's why we have to follow this logical OR operation rule, that is 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3. Now let us see the next point, that is logical function or compound statement. Logical function or compound statement. Next thing is logical function or compound statement. What is meant by logical function or compound statement? Logical statements are combined with logical operators like and or not to form a compound statement. What is this? Logical function or compound statement means it is a, what is this? Logical statements are combined with the logical operators. Logical statements are combined with the logical operators means and or not. Logical statements are combined with the logical operators. Logical statements are combined with the logical operators and or not to form a compound statement. For example, first one. For example, he prefers rice and roti for the meals. He prefers rice and roti for the meals. Here, he prefers rice is one of the logical statement. Roti for the meal, this is also logical statement. But and is a logical operator. So here what is happening? He prefers roti, he prefers rice. These are the logical statements. And is a logical operator. So here combination of logical statements with the logical operator is there. That's why this is an example of logical function or compound statement. Another example means he prefer rice or he prefer roti for the meals. Here also he prefer rice, he prefer roti. These are the logical statements. Or is a logical operator. So here combination of logical statements with the logical operator is considered as logical function or compound statement. And the next is important, that is next point is truth table. Very, very important. For 1 mark, he is going to ask what is mean by a truth table. A truth table is a mathematical table. See here, a truth table, a convenient and helpful way to organize truth values of various Boolean expression is a truth table. What is this? What is mean by truth table? A convenient and helpful way to organize truth values of various Boolean expression is a truth table. See here. For example, 2 power n. This is the standard formula. This is very, very helpful in evaluating Boolean expressions. That is 2 power n. Here n indicates the number of variables in a Boolean expression. For example, if 2 variables are there means what will be the input combinations can be find out. For example, x comma y are the 2 variables means 2 power n is equal to 2 power 2 is equal to 4 input combination truth table can be created. Suppose x, y, z like that 3 variables are there means 2 power n is equal to 2 power 3 is equal to 8 input combinations truth table can be created. Like this, in the next class, we are going to discuss a topic called evaluation of Boolean expression.